Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Team. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I am going to show how to add two numbers in Python. So at first I am going to add two variables and the value is anything whatever you want. For example, I will add 3 and the another variable is v. I am going to take another variable which is sum. So now I will store the value of these two variable in this sum variable and I will use plus operation and then I will print the sum variable and then I will click on the run. So you can see the output. So if I change the value from 3 to 6 and then click on the run, you can see it's properly executing. That's all for today. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon.